Hey there, today we're going to do a review on this all-season motorcycle jacket with CE armor. So come on with me, let's jump into this review. The jacket is made from a windproof, high-performance polyester material. It has some good stretch to it, so it's very comfortable. You've got 4 exterior pockets, 2 down here, down and lower, pretty generous sized pockets, and then 2 up here, 1 on each side. You got waterproof zippers on all pockets as well as the jacket. It has a very casual styling to it. Give you a look at the back. Very comfortable fit. For riding in the colder months, it has a zip in, zip out liner, and it also has a hood that's detachable. To detach the hood, you just turn around, you got a zipper right here on the back side, and you zip that off and just detach it. Very easy on, very easy off. The liner, again, same thing, easy on, easy off. Inside of each of the sleeves, you've got a couple of loops here, and the liner slips through there and buckles on each side. So that keeps it from having the liner come in and out, so when you're putting it on, taking it off real easy. And then on the inside of the liner here, to remove it, you've got your zipper right there, and we'll just unzip it. Once you've undone the straps that hold the cuffs in the sleeve, you just unzip this all the way around. Bear with me. And just like that, you can pull the liner right out of there. And then you've got the mesh. The jacket has a mesh interior on it. Very comfortable mesh interior. And then the liner is an extremely comfortable quilted liner. In addition to the removable liner and hood, you've got removable armor. So you've got armor for the back, you've got elbows and shoulders on both sides. Very good quality armor. The jacket is water resistant and has waterproof zippers. That's your all-season motorcycle jacket with CE armor.